Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Well, hello everyone, Luke Rhodes. Luke Rhodes is back. So what you're going to learn here today is how do you take the oil out of your S2R 1000 Super Naked. You're going to learn that here today at Luke Rhodes. Yeah.
It's showtime.
Well, everyone, Luke Rhodes, we've located the oil drain plug, the S2R 1000 Super Naked. It's all the way back here, just near the oil filter. Massive Allen H10 H10 fits into here. But you can see there's a bit of dust, rubbish in there. So what you can do is you can take something like brake cleaner and just get it in there. Try and clear out any crap in that area. You don't have to worry about oil contamination because we haven't undone oil drain plug, so we haven't got so we won't contaminating the oil drain plug, hopefully. That looks a little bit tidier. A little bit. Let's see how tight this is. This is not going to be easy to film. It's going to take your H10 and you really have to push it in to that drain plug. Let's see how tight it is. Oh God, no. The tool is set to off. Pull your oil derrick just a little bit more back. Try and brace the motorcycle again. Okay, well we're bringing up the big guns now. Massive, right big breaker bar. For the big guns come out. So pushing towards, make sure you're happy. Boy, that worked. Breaker bar. Massive leverage. Right, once you are happy, you've loosened off the sump drain plug. Get your oil derrick. Now place it into position. It just goes to show that the it's been in there for a long time. Once the drain plug is loosened off, that was definitely more than 20 meters. That couldn't have been less. It's loosened off enough that we can actually just get the tool in there now and we can just start undoing it. Once we undo it, the oil is going to come out fast. real fast. So when you do this, take the get ready to take this out really quickly, like now. Oh, it's just pure black. Oh, it's just disgusting. Black in every sort of way. Oh, look at that. And one of the problems you're going to face is that your tool is probably going to be covered in old engine oil now. So, get some kitchen paper, just wipe down your tool, and just let the oil drain. Here's another tip as well. If you can open, which won't open? Right. God damn it. Don't open your oil filler cap all the way, just open it slightly, but it looks like we're gonna have to use a special tool on this, because this also won't move. We've tried to use tape to soften up the grips so we don't mark the plastic on the fuel filler cap. Oh, oh, you duck. Oh, that's poor Ducati. It's poor Ducati. It's just had a really harsh life. Oh, that feels horrible. Okay, reason why you're doing that is just to allow the air to pass through the top of the S2R 1000 super naked engine all the way down to the bottom and allow air into the engine, and that's helping the oil find its way out faster. There's some sort of science that goes into it, but it really does work. So now the oil filter. Well, thank you for watching, everybody at Luke Rides. Taking the old oil out of your S2R 1000 Super Naked is really easy. Once you know where the drain plug is, sometimes it doesn't help when the drain plug's been over tightened by a previous mechanic or engineer. So as you saw there, Luke Rice tried to undo it and we literally had to use a breaker bar just to get the drain plug off. Oh my god, a breaker bar for a drain plug. We did it. So hopefully this has helped you. Thanks for watching.
The way we...
The little rascal has fluid. As water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
Luke Ride's got a CG copy.